strong.
Hello friends and welcome back. As today we are going to know about the cash, fiber and the spices crop. In case of cash crop, the sugarcane is the most important cash crop which is grown all over the world. Similarly, in case of the fiber, cotton is the most extensively grown fiber crop as well as it is the most important fiber crop all over the world. Likewise, the turmeric is grown on a commercial level as it is a major source of farm income. So let us know about these three, the sugarcane, the cotton and the turmeric one by one. By the way, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive the notification for our upcoming videos. So the first one is the sugarcane. Its botanical name is Saccharum officinarum. The origin is India. Since it's a tropical crop, so the average mean temperature is 20 degree to 26 degrees Celsius. The soil should be medium to heavy soil, well drained, and the pH should be 6.5 to 7.5. For preparing the tillage, 2 times plowing and 2 to 3 times harrowing is required. The time of sowing is Kharif, July to August, Rabi, September to October, and the summer, that is from Jan to Feb. Method of sowing is flat planting method, which is common in sugarcane, and in this shallow and deep furrows are made. Spacing should be 120 cm in heavy soil and 105 cm in light soil. Seed rate should be 2500 seeds per hectare. The manure applied is FYM, and that is to 12.5 tons per hectare. In case of fertilizer, NPK ratio in kg per hectare is 250 is to 125 is to 125 in summers, 350 into 170 is to 170 in Rabi, and 400 is to 170 is to 170 in Kharif. After care can be done by 3 to 4 time hoeing for weed control. Earthing is carried out when the crop is 5 to 5.5 month old and having 2 to 3 nodes. In case of water management, total water required is 140 to 160 acre inches. The interval between irrigation is 10 days for the summer crops and 20 days in the winter. The harvesting is done when we can see the yellow coloring in the whole crop, emergence of arrowhead in flowering variety, swelling of eye buds and metallic sound of cane, sweet juice, Brix reading 21 degree Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius. In case of yield, 100 tons per hectare we will get from the summers, 125 tons per hectare from the Rabi and 150 tons per hectare from the Kharif. And the varieties are CO290, CO419, CO740, CO775 and many more. The next one is the cotton. Its botanical name is Gossypium species. Origin is India, Indochina and tropical Africa. It's a subtropical crop, so the optimum temperature is 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. In case of soil, well drained, fertile, medium black to deep black soil is required. For preparing the tillage, deep plowing and 2 to 3 times harrowing is done. Time of sowing is Kharif, that is from June to July in case of rain-fed, and March to May, that is the irrigated. Method of sowing is drilling, dibbling and broadcasting. In case of spacing, for the rain-fed variety, Desi have 45 into 20 to 25 centimeter square, American have 60 to 75 into 30 to 45 centimeter square. In case of the hybrid, 60 into 60 centimeter square. Now in case of the irrigated, American is 90 into 60 centimeter square. Hybrids are from 90 into 60 centimeter square also. Now in case of the seed rate, in the rain-fed varieties, the Desi have from 50 to 20 kg per hectare, Americans have 10 to 12 kg per hectare, and the hybrids have 5 to 6 kg per hectare. And in case of the irrigated ones, American have from 7.5 to 8 kg per hectare and the hybrids have from 2.5 to 3 kg per hectare. In case of manure in tons per hectare, 7.5 is for Desi and American, 7.5 is for the hybrid, 15 is for the rain-fed and 15 is for the irrigated varieties. Now for the fertilizers, NPK ratio in kg per hectare is 50 is to 25 is to 25 for the Desi or Americans, 80 is to 40 is to 40 for the hybrids, 80 is to 40 is to 40 for the rain-fed and 100 is to 50 for the irrigated varieties. Aftercare can be done by gap filling and thinning. In case of water management, these plants generally are sensitive to deficient and excessive moisture. Water requirement is 2.5 mm per day from emergence to square formation, 2.5 to 6.25 mm per day from square to first blossom, and 6.25 to 10 mm from first to peak blossom. The harvesting is done after 160 days. The yield which we will get for the rain-fed variety is 7 to 8 quintal per hectare. American hybrid is 10 to 12 quintal per hectare. Irrigated is 20 to 25 quintal per hectare. Hybrid is 25 to 30 quintal per hectare. The varieties of cotton are, in case of Indian, AKH4 and AKA2. In case of American, AKH081. In case of hybrid, Savitri, PKVH4, PKVH6 and many more. The last one for today is the turmeric. Its botanical name is Curcuma longa Linn. Origin is South Asia. Since it's a tropical crop, so the climate required is hot and dry. Soil should be loamy to alluvial soil, well drained and loose. For preparing the tillage, deep plowing 2 to 3 times harrowing is done. Time of sowing is 15th May to the first week of June. Method of sowing is by making ridges and furrows. Spacing should be 60 to 75 into 25 to 30 centimeter square for the broad beds and 30 into 30 centimeter square for the flat beds. The depth of planting should be 8 to 10 centimeter. Seed rate is 25 to 30 quintal per hectare for the mother set and 15 to 20 quintal per hectare for the finger set. Manure applied is FYM and that is to 20 to 30 tons per hectare. In case of fertilizer, NPK ratio is 125 is to 37 is to 37 kg per hectare. Aftercare can be done by 5 to 7 hand weedings and by light earthing. In case of water management, 18 to 22 times irrigation is required. Harvesting is generally done in 8 to 9 months from Jan to March. Leaves turn yellowish and they dry and drop down. Yield which we will get is 20 to 25 tons per hectare in case of raw turmeric and 3 to 5 tons per hectare of dry polished turmeric. The varieties of turmeric are Rajapuri and Karadai, Lakhandi, Salem, etc. Finally, this is the end of our video and I hope you liked it. If you liked my video and find this video helpful, then please click the like button and share this video. By the way, in a previous video, we came to know about the different kinds of oilseed crops. So if you wish to watch that video, then please click the link given in the description box and watch the video. As for the next video, it is going to be on the horticultural crop. So don't forget to watch the video and till the next time we meet, bye bye and have a nice day.